Listen and hear the silence. Look the nature after destruction and collapse, after time of storm. It is silence. As our soul, this silence and peace you are feeling and experiencing in your soul. It's part of the process. After exhaustions, after chaos, it comes peace and silence. I describe this state and feeling in my ebook Choose to Be Chosen. And it is like nature, rhythm of the nature. After destruction and chaos, peace and quiet. And in that state, something more beautiful and abundant are going to be born. Soon, very soon, it will be spring. And in spring, the nature is reborn and are rebirth, going to be rebirth and prepared for summer. That's how it is with our states, inner states, and our spirit. After chaos of winter, it comes spring, and our soul will be rebirth. Only question is in which form. Would it be flowers or it would be poison or it would be toxicity? Negative thoughts will occupy your mind. Hallucinations, paranoia, schizophrenia or other mental disease which are disrupting our inner peace? Or would you have clean thoughts of abundance, prosperity, peace and quiet, growth, development, and wonderful miracle of the beauty of the other side of our universes? I describe this in my ebook. You are missing out if you didn't read it yet and you didn't invest in yourself. By some statistics, over 85% of people will suffer during this summer and spring times. But there is still time. Don't be desperate. You still have time to order and invest in yourself, to order and purchase my ebook, to read about it, to prepare your soul, your heart, and your mind for what is coming. It is not late. There's still time. I didn't complicate it too much in writing the Bible out of it and scripts and scrolls. It is few tens of the pages, humble yet powerful, but you can check it out. Let's enjoy in this nature and this silence and peace and listen to the silent growth of it and our souls, our spirits and our mind. Let's enjoy this beautiful weather, which is blessed by the universe and the God today. And then let's return into office, finish this week, and see what and how much we grow this week. Prepare for the next one, next not just week but month, which is in front of us. Let's prepare everything to help even more of you who are with us on this journey and this movement together as one, in which we are helping you to grow from inside to outside, so you can reflect positivity, abundance, and prosperity into your physical realm. Peace, growth, abundance, development. So, with who is with us and who is following us and who is on this journey with us, they know what I'm talking about. Who are not, you can research through the social media, to the Google, ChatGPT, or any other platform for researching, and you can find out. You can join us if there is still time. Your summer doesn't have to be chaotic. It could be abundant, peaceful, and beautiful. So check the movement, grab your ebook, reward yourself. You deserve it. You deserve such blessings. God and the universe send it through me to you. Read it. Stay inspired, motivated, and continue your journey. I'm proud of you, my friend. I'm proud of you, my knight. I'm proud of you, my architects. Together we will win. Together we are rising. Together as one. See you in the office.